drastic situation requires drastic measure, I think I've actually messed that up. Hi, I'm Promise, and I'm getting rid of all my clothes. This is why. I made a video last year talking about the state my wardrobe was in. I have a lot of clothes, but nothing to wear. Sadly, not much has changed. And that's because I actually need to start all over again. Wanting to live a more sustainable lifestyle is not the only reason I'm challenging myself to do this, but it does play a huge part. I have occasional pieces in my wardrobe that never got their moment to shine, like this. I also have clothes in my wardrobe that I'm absolutely no longer in love with, like this guy here, and this, and this, and this. I mean, this, I'm over it. Then I have clothes in my wardrobe that I've had for such a long time, so long I can't even remember how they came into my life anymore, like this guy, and this, and this. Oh, and don't get me started about the clothes that no longer fit me. Like, at this point, I have to blame my washing machine, because how did all my clothes become so small overnight? Like this one, and this, and this. You get the point. I don't want to keep feeling bad every time I want to buy something new. Like, I need to reinvent my wardrobe, but right now it's occupied by things that I'm actually tired of seeing. And because I have so many clothes right now, anytime I try to add anything more, it just seems overwhelming. So yeah, I've come to accept that I need to take drastic measures if I really want my wardrobe to change. And I do. So I'm gonna get rid of everything. Or at least, almost everything. The last time I did this, I donated about 2 to 3 bags of clothes to charity, but somehow I still have so many clothes in this house. It's actually incredible. This time around, we're actually gonna sell. I'm trying to get money back to buy stuff. So hopefully this goes better than last time, because haggling with people online and just going back and forth is really not my forte, but I don't have a choice at this point. I'm going to be using Vintage, Depop, possibly Facebook Marketplace and eBay. If there's any that I've missed out, let me know in the comment section. On paper, my goal is very simple. I want to try and sell at least 80% of my current wardrobe. That's including accessories. However, that is going to be a lot of work. But because I clearly don't like myself, I'm trying to get this done before the end of the year. So we have at least, what, 5 months to get this all done? Wish me luck. But the real question is, will I be able to do this? Well, you need to subscribe to find out. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys loads. Mwah. Bye.